be trying to do now. Ah, come on! This is amazing stuff by Sasikumar. He is playing like a lone gun. This is his third tackle point. What a nice frontal block. You should have just inflicted the empty raid, and you could have come back for the do or die raid, Monu. I think there was some error. Probably he did not think like he should be, but what a nice tackle once again for Sri Sai Ram. Wonderful.
डू और डाई, पहली डू और डाई नवीन, जैसा कि आपने अभी बताया है। और किसी भी टीम की 2 रेड तो एम्प्टी हो सकती है, तीसरी नहीं हो सकती, लेकिन यहाँ पर एक नहीं शायद ज्यादा पॉइंट आने की संभावना है नवीन।
Looks like it. What a heroic raid. Yeah, it probably won, but again that weak right flank. You see what Prashant has done? He's gone out there, attacked the weak right corner. Yeah, there we go. So that's been a little bit of a problem. We've been saying that. Durga Prasant. Good thinking from him. It was a do or die raid, and the defense took the pressure on themselves. That's a problem. And look at what has happened, Monu. Just because of that super tackle, the equalizer has come in. And once again, it is Chandrasree Sai Ram who's making it a habit from the right corner. Oh, well. Are we already seeing Dipanshu Khatri? That's going to happen. He was a very strong right corner. Look at this. This is the right cover and the right corner combination now working out nicely. And they're in the lead, Monu.
Exactly. कुरनूल नाइट्स शुरुआती मिनट्स में पिछड़ रही थी, इनके पास पॉइंट्स नहीं थे, लेकिन अभी 5 पॉइंट पर पहुंच गई है, 1 पॉइंट से लीड कर रही है। कुरनूल नाइट्स ने तो सुपर टैकल किया था, क्या काकीनाडा क्रैकन्स क्रैक कर पाएगी? नहीं कर पाएगी। क्रैक किया इस बार रेडर ने, क्रूशियल टाइम पर 1 पॉइंट निकाला, यानी कि ऑल आउट के नजदीक धकेलने की कोशिश की जा रही है।
And the major problem there once again was lack of coordination. See, all 3 defenders, they were not coordinated at all, and Durga Prasant, for all you know, had created that confusion in their head. Kalturi Manohar, yeah, he's a defender, he's a left cover defender. He'll have to just come back because oh my God, is this a multiple point raid? I think this is going to be the first super raid, is it? Oh, just 2 points. Just 2 points, so close. Can they review this? Can they go for more points? Mono, it looked like more points. They're going in for a timeout though.
नवीन 2 पॉइंट जरूर मिले, लेकिन सुपर रेड होती है तो 3 पॉइंट आपको मिलते हैं, लेकिन ऑफिशियली सुपर रेड नहीं है, लेकिन उससे कम भी नहीं है। पीठ दिखाने के बाद अगर आप 2 पॉइंट लेकर वापस आए तो ये सोने पर सुहागा वाला कार्य किया है, वरना आप टैकल होते, आप अपोनेंट को पॉइंट देकर आ रहे थे इस समय।
Sir, please go back.
Yeah.
Don't cross the line.
The coach can't get too closer to the players. We should have listened to the players, but in the coach's corner, we will get that sorted in the next match as well.
Please call. Ma'am.
Yeah, that's what the coach is unhappy with. Did you hear what he said there? He said it was their 3rd raid. Kakinada Kraken, guys, come on, what are you doing? You shouldn't have taken the pressure, but the 2 points, very crucial. And it really came at the right time. Because Kalturi Manohar was just a defender, Monu. And Kurnool Knights, they just gave away 2 points. And Durga Prasad now will be tie-holded and will be sent back on the bench. Wonderful double tie-hold. That's the man they wanted, isn't it? Durga Prasad was the only raider getting them the points. And now he's back on the bench.
जो कार्य 3 डिफेंडर नहीं कर पाए, इस बार वो 4 डिफेंडरों ने करके दिखाया। सिंगल थाई होल्ड किया था, बहुत क्लोज था, तकरीबन वॉक लाइन के आसपास वो किया, लेकिन उसके बाद जो साथ मिला है वो बहुत अच्छा था, लेकिन पकड़ बहुत मजबूत थी। ज्यादा विकल्प नहीं थे रेडर के पास अपने आप को बचाने के लिए। लेकिन देखते देखते कहानी में नवीन थोड़ा सा ट्विस्ट आ गया है कि पॉइंट्स टेबल पर जो उथल पुथल हो रही थी, अब वहां पर एक बार फिर से काकीनाडा क्रैकन्स ने फिर से अपने आप को आगे रखा है, फ्रंट फुट पर पहुंच गई है।
ओह, और पहुंच कैसे गई है? Look at this. Samarasimha Reddy. Monu. He's back with the way he left. Yuva Kabaddi Series platform. We just saw his numbers. We just saw the numbers that flashed. More than 110 raid points for Samarasimha Reddy, and look at the escape. He just takes his left leg away, and then the main defender, Chandrasri Sai Ram, who's been going ahead with points after points in the tackle points section, has been sent on the bench for the very first time. And now pressure on Nakka Yugender.
युगंधर रेड करने के लिए गए, बहुत बड़ी जिम्मेदारी है इनके ऊपर। मुझे लग रहा है कि यहाँ पर थोड़ा सा संयम दिखाना चाहिए काकीनाडा क्रैकन्स को, क्योंकि सिर्फ 2 ही प्लेयर बचे हुए हैं कुर्नूल नाइट्स के पास। और नवीन, हम थोड़ी देर पहले कमबैक की चर्चा कर रहे थे कि कमबैक किया अपोनेंट्स ने, लेकिन देखते ही देखते, पलक झपकते ही वो कंडीशन आ गई कि जो 2 प्लेयर अपोनेंट्स के पास थे, ऑल आउट देने का मौका था कुर्नूल नाइट्स के पास, अब वो मौका है काकीनाडा क्रैकन्स के पास। लेकिन एक बार फिर से सुपर टैकल की अपॉर्चुनिटी, और नवीन हो गया है सुपड़ा साफ 2+2, और बहुत बड़ी लीड हाथ आई है।
बिल्कुल सुपड़ा साफ, स्वच्छ भारत अभियान. Yeah, we remember Bade Bratashri Mohit Chilla with that tagline that he had given us. But look at this. Who's making his mark felt? It's Samarasimha Reddy. Wow. And if you are in Andhra, Monu, you need to say Jai Balaya. Yeah, because Samarasimha Reddy was Balakrishna Balaya's big super duper hit movie, and the name Samarasimha Reddy has really brought Kakinada Krakens back on the cracking note. Okay, so now some time for the Telugu translation that's going to happen. Nu nilapudu ante chalu. That means you just keep standing. Don't go out there and get tackled out. That's what he's told. Probably Durga Prasad, the coach of Kurnool Knights. You just stand there. The match is ours. That's the confidence that has been exhibited on Durga Prasad by his coach. But now it is time for Kunchala Srikanth to come along, because he's the captain. Remember, Kunchala Srikanth. And making sure he attacks the right cover. First right point for the captain in the Yuva Andhra Championship 2025. The feeder into the Telugu Kabaddi League. What a mark. And that right corner was very, very strong. Mono, before this, he was never been tackled, attacked. And I think because of the long reach of Kunchala Srikanth, he could just tight touch the right cover nicely.
कप्तान साहब ने सरप्राइज दे दिया वहां डिफेंडर को, अचानक से अटैक किया है और पहला पॉइंट भी निकाला है, और बहुत बड़ा मार्जिन है इस समय। एक अच्छी खासी बढ़त है काकीनाडा क्रैकन्स के पास। और नवीन, हमने पहले मुकाबले में पहला सुपर टैकल देखा, उसके बाद ऑल आउट भी देखा है। सुपर रेड की कमी रह गई है।
है ना, I really felt that when the comeback was written, probably was so close, but this is a nice toe touch. Durga Prasad, the coach just told him, you stand there, that's more than enough, and he's taken the raider out. Siva, wow, well, that's going to be interesting. Yeah, because Siva in that right in was actually trying to go for the ankle hold. And no raider now for the Kakinada Kraken, so it has to be Samarasimha Reddy who will come along. Right, look at his numbers now. More than 100 raid points. And in this match, this is the previous records, but here in this match, is already gone probably to the 5th raid point. And once again has taken on Chandrasri Sai from that right corner. A strong right corner defender of the Kurnool Knights, once again sent back. Mohit, I think they're getting too anxious to stop Samarasimha Reddy. And he's tall, he's strong. Look at Sri Sai. Look at that weak basement that he's not been very stiff on. He's jumping in and out, and wanting to go for the ankle hold with a weak basement. You're not going to build a strong building on that.
चतुराई और शातिरता एक साथ देखने को मिली थी पिछली डेट में। थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूज किया था वहां पर कॉर्नर के प्लेयर को, और उसके बाद नाक के नीचे से वो पॉइंट निकाला है। मजबूरन हाथ डालना पड़ा कि एंकल होल्ड को करेंगे, लेकिन एनर्जी वापस आ गई उनके पास जैसे उन्होंने वो पॉइंट निकाला है। चलिए, बोनस कम ट्राई कर रहे थे, कप्तान साहब ने इस बार बोनस का ट्राई किया और उन्हें बोनस भी मिला है।
Kurnool Knights, I mean, the captain is kind of a Chupa Rustam. He's come out there as a left corner defender, but Samarasimha Reddy. Now, watch out. Let him attempt the bonus. Let him go back. That's okay. That's okay for the Kurnool Knights. And as I said, 6 rate points in this match. 120% is his rate strike rate. So don't go to tackle him down. Yeah, that's okay. That's okay if he gets the bonus. You don't have to reduce men. Let's listen to the coaches once again of the Kurnool Knights. What's he got to say? How are you stopping Samarasimha Reddy? Come on, coach. Chapandi.
కొద్ది స్పీడప్ చేయాలి వాళ్ళకు 5 మైల్ వెళ్ళేది కొద్ది స్పీడప్ చేయండి వాళ్ళు కొద్ది స్లో చేస్తాము చూసుకోండి.
Okay, so he's asked Durga Prasant to play the right corner because Chandrasri Sai is on the bench. So you cannot be actually sacrificing your main raider to play on the right corner. And he's also said, you know what, Monu? He said last 5 minutes before the first half, Koddiga speed up cheyandi. That means speed up the game. Speed up the game a little. We are lacking that momentum in this first half. The last 5 minutes to go. Speed up the game. Durga Prasant is trying to do the same thing.
हर टीम तो यही चाहती है कि एटलीस्ट आप आगे ना जाए तो कम से कम बराबर रहें पहले हाफ में, दूसरे हाफ में कुछ कवर करने की कोशिश करें. हालांकि थोड़ा सा कवर करने का प्रयास जरूर किया गया है लेकिन अभी उतना नहीं कवर किया है.
Yeah, true. And that kick was so nicely executed from Durga Prasant. He did not expect that. He wanted to go for the ankle hold, but then that kick. And now, since because Chandrasri Sai on the right corner has been revived, Durga Prasant does not have to go on the right corner, as the coach was mentioning. And now it is Samarasimha Reddy. Right. He will be... Oh, right. That was a clash of two mighty giant full bodies. What he took on. Kunchala Srikanth and another point with him. Once again, Monu, they are trying to stop Samarasimha Reddy. It's not going to happen because he's saying Jai Balaya. But I'll tell you what, if you're not too aware, that's going to happen. That's going to happen, but I was not mentioning about that though. As Kalingula Srinivas, the captain, wanted to go for a back hold against Durga Prasant, not there. But Monu, for people... Oh, okay, I think they're going for a review for what? I think for a bonus point. Durga Prasant wants a bonus. It's Kakinada Krakens' review, maybe.
TV umpire, Kurnool Knights challenge, bonus plus 1 point. Our decision, only 1 point.
That's a proper bonus that he executed, Durga Prasant. It's going to be interesting though. That is sliding. That's not available. But then the fatal error from Kalingula Srinivas. Yeah, I did not expect that. Decision coming. But Monu, for you and for others, probably anybody watching on the world feed, if you're wondering why am I saying Jai Balaya is because he's a very big superstar. Someone, I mean, not on the levels of Talaivar Rajinikanth, but someone very close to him on the aura, the stature that he brings along, and that is where every function, every place, everywhere in Telangana, Andhra, whether it is War 2's promotions, even NTR and Hrithik Roshan, when they were here, they were greeted to the chants of Jai Balaya. Unsuccessful review.
Your review is over, no more review.
That is why Samarasimha Reddy was a very big blockbuster hit movie of Balakrishna Garu, Balaya. That's what we fondly call him. And that is what Samarasimha Reddy is doing here for the Kakinada Kraken. But this time, it's going to be Singapalli Avinash who will take it away.
अभी एक पॉइंट तो मिल चुका था और ऐसा लगा कि शायद डिफेंडर की गलती से दूसरा रेडर दूसरा शिकार भी कर सकता है इनके घर में. वो थोड़ी सी तो गलती हुई थी, यहाँ पर टच खाया और आगे निकल गए। नवीन, आपको ध्यान देना होता है, जब तक रेडर अपने घर वापस ना चले जाए वो आक्रमण कर देगा आपके घर के ऊपर। और वहां बताया भी था साथ वाले डिफेंडर ने कि भाई थोड़ा सा ध्यान दीजिए इसके ऊपर।
Yeah, you get casual on the kabaddi mat, you become the casualty. But Durga Prasad, he's not played casually at all. And the way he escapes is brilliant. Couple of points maybe. No, only one. Only one. Once again, that weak right corner, Vari Mahesh. Probably, yeah, there we go. It's Vari Mahesh. So that right flank is something that Kakinada Kraken should really work upon, Monu. Because their left flank is very nice. The left corner and the right cover combination is working very well. But the right corner and the left cover combination, we have not seen them come to the match at all. As once again, Samarasimha Reddy comes in.
समरसिम्हा रेड्डी, देखिए जिनके नाम में रेडी हो वो कैसे रेडी नहीं होंगे। 7 टोटल रेड लगाएंगे, 9 पॉइंट निकाल लिए। ब्लॉकबस्टर है ये, और ये सीधा ब्लॉकबस्टर रहेगा इस प्लेयर के लिए।
Totally. And the first player to get the Super 10 in the Yuva Andhra Championship 2025. And again, he's targeted the strong right corner, Chandra Sri Sai. And every time you say Jai Balaya, this is what happens. Well. What a way to go out there and get the first Super 10. I'll tell you what, Samarasimha Reddy, the movie actually released somewhere around 1999. But look at this, Kanchala Srikanth. He is bulldozing the defense of
and 16 out.
Of the Kakinada Kraken. He's turned out to be a good all-rounder once again. He's gone to the stronger side, Monu. He's gone to the left corner and the right cover, who had a very good combination. There. That right cover combination is good. He's broken that shackles. But more on Samarasimha Reddy now, isn't it, Monu?
सामने से ब्लॉक करने का प्रयास किया गया था, लेकिन हाथों में इतनी पावर थी, बॉडी का जो मोमेंटम था वो मिड लाइन की तरफ था। लेकिन इस बार मोमेंटम को तोड़ा जाएगा, इस बार रेडर के मोमेंटम को तोड़ा जाएगा और शिकार किया जाएगा झुंड में। देर आएंगे क्या दुरुस्त भी आएंगे।
और किस ओर से रहा है, वहां से लेफ्ट कॉर्नर, look at that, Kanchala Srikanth, the captain, doing it, and Samarasimha Reddy has been tackled for the first time in this match. Nice combination tackle that's coming in from the left corner and the left end. So Kanchala Srikanth, he's making sure that Samarasimha Reddy's blockbuster run is paused for a little while. Already, remember, Kurnool Knights have suffered one all out. So Durga Prasad, now with his very quick raids, once again confuses the defense, Monu, and steals away a point under Sivas's nose. See, Siva Prasad is a raider, Monu. He shouldn't have gone for it. Look at this. There. Why that attempt of a surprise attack coming in from the left in? That was not what was needed. And what was this? Are we already in the half time? Yes, we are. This was quick, Monu.
इसलिए तो गिरगिट भी रंग नहीं बदलता, जितने रंग बदले इस मुकाबले में। स्कोर बोर्ड पर कई बार बराबरी देखी गई है, बहुत ज्यादा मार्जिन भी देखा गया है और कई बार मैचेस को क्लोज भी देखा गया है। मैं समरी की बात करेंगे नवीन, तो फिर 19 पॉइंट हैं काकीनाडा क्रैकन्स के पास, जिसमें 14 रेड पॉइंट, 3 टैकल पॉइंट, और उसके बाद आपको कोई भी पॉइंट नजर नहीं आएगा। मतलब सीधे तरीके से वो पॉइंट निकाले गए। तो वहीं पर कुर्नूल नाइट्स ने 17 पॉइंट टोटल निकाले, सिर्फ 2 पॉइंट से पीछे है, जिसमें 12 रेड पॉइंट, 5 टैकल पॉइंट और 1 सुपर टैकल भी उन्होंने किया था। एक प्लेयर जिसने सुपर 10 लगा दिया, बेस्ट रेडर अभी तक हमें नजर आया है समरसिम्हा रेड्डी, जिसकी चर्चाएं नवीन ने बहुत की हैं अभी, और ठीक है, चर्चाएं होनी भी चाहिए क्योंकि इनको डिजर्व करते हैं। तो वहीं पर बेस्ट डिफेंडर की बात करेंगे तो रामकृष्णा, जिन्होंने 3 टैकल पॉइंट निकाले। क्या पहले मैच में पहले दिन एक हाई फाइव भी हमें देखने को मिल सकता है?
Oh yeah, you might expect that one, but Kakinada Krakens' defense was okay, but compared to Kurnool Knights, they have gone ahead and attempted a lot of times on Samarasimha Reddy. See, those 10 points, out of which, the 17 attempts would have actually gone into Samarasimha Reddy to go out there and get the points away. And of course, few from Siva Prasad as well and Singampalli Avinash. Good trio. I'm coming out to be as a very good story here for the Kakinada Kraken, because they've got 3 raiders who've been doing really good. And to add on, they've also got Kalingula Srinivas. So that is why Kakinada Kraken have got that couple of points as a lead, even though they have been, subdued for the all-out, Monu. So that is the summary altogether. So 4 Raiders raiding alongside with their captain doing really well for the tackling point as well. So that's really important. But if you look at what has happened to the Kurnool Knights, as a summary, only Durga Prasad and Nakka Yugender failed, and of course there is no sound at all coming in from the left corner. That's been a problem. Kunchala Srikanth, of course, Chandrasri Sai was okay, was good in the right corner, but then again Samarasimha Reddy, he's given away a lot of points as well. So apart from Durga Prasad, I don't see anybody coming out strong for the Kurnool Knights. I think that should be the second half for them. Go out there, try and not disturb Samarasimha Reddy a lot. That's what is going to happen. So let's get into the second half very soon. And talking about first half, second half, yeah, the movie Samarasimha Reddy, of course, got released out there. Only 1999, imagine, Monu, a movie earning a gross profit of 25 crores. It was made in a very murky budget of, say, 6 crores. 6 crores in 1999 was a huge amount. But imagine a movie winning a national award, the Nandi Award. Nandi Award is Andhra Pradesh's, the then United Andhra Pradesh's state award. Okay, so that's the big Nandi Award that was being given away to Balaya Garu. And then it also won the Filmfare Award South. What an achievement for that movie, and that is what we are talking about, Samarasimha Reddy. I don't know if the story, we need to talk to Samarasimha Reddy because it was released in 1999. You never know. His parents probably been influenced by the movie and name him Samarasimha Reddy as well. Yeah, maybe the story, I don't know. we need to cross check with Samarasimha Reddy himself. But imagine a 25 crore profit in 1999. That's huge. As profitable as Samarasimha Reddy is to Kakinada Kraken in the Super 10.
नवीन, लेकिन ये वाली जो मूवी इस समय चल रही है ये, और मुझे लग रहा है इसमें कम से कम 10 से 15 हीरो आपको मिलने वाले हैं।
बिल्कुल, नो डाउट एट ऑल।
और जो अगली मूवी साइन भी करेंगे, जो तेलुगु कबड्डी लीग आने वाली है, वो साइन करने वाले अगली मूवी।
That's a very good connection. Yeah, that is what we are all looking into as Chandawada Dhanush has been inducted in for the Kurnool Knights, and Mahesh Wari. What are we saying? Wari Mahesh as a defender goes out to raid. New strategy. Kakinada Kraken winning the toss, raiding for the first one in the second half, and they've got the left cover. Yeah, of course, not too much to go for. He was saying no first, but then he agreed it later.
कहीं पे तीर, कहीं पे निशाना, सरप्राइज कर दिया था वहां पर, और डिफेंडर को पॉइंट अपने नाम किया है। चलिए, आपने जो चर्चा की थी ना कि पहला हाफ निकल गया है, बहुत अच्छा रहा है, दोनों टीम्स के पास कुछ स्ट्रेंथ है, कुछ वीकनेस भी नजर आई है कुछ कॉर्नर्स के द्वारा, लेकिन जहां पर आपने परसेंटेज देखी वहां ऑलमोस्ट बराबर था, चाहे रेडर की बात करें चाहे डिफेंडर्स की बात करें। अगर आपने एक पॉइंट को निकालने में 4 बार प्रयास किया है तो उस हिसाब से रेस तकरीबन बराबर था और सिर्फ 2 पॉइंट से पीछे थी टीम। अब दूसरा हाफ इसलिए भी ज्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग हो जाता है क्योंकि जैसा आप कर रहे हैं वैसा सामने वाला कर रहा है। अब जो बेहतर करेगा वो मैच को लेकर जाएगा।
Correct. And this strategy from Kakinada Kraken is a new one. They are sending in Wari Mahesh, the right corner defender. That was his second raid. Probably because Samarasimha Reddy is on the bench. And probably the other raiders are not working well. Singampalli Avinash has not done well. And Durga Prasad today has got 8 raid points out of the 10. So he's the lone hero for Kurnool Knights. And after 2 consecutive empty raids, Wari Mahesh has lost a lot of steam and he could not stop Durga Prasad. Nice escape through the lobbies there, Monu.
Please.
और वो जो हम हीरो की बात कर रहे थे वो धीरे धीरे ऐसे ही बनेंगे, मैच बाय मैच बनेंगे। उन्हें पता है कि लॉबी का इस्तेमाल करना है टच लेने के बाद, ये जहन में है उनके, और वही खूबसूरत अंदाज में उन्होंने उस पिंक एरिया का यूज किया है।
Yeah, okay. This is nice to see as Kakinada Kraken, they are thinking, they are really thinking. They've taken off Kamaraju and they've inducted another player who will be a raider, right? Kari John coming in. Oh, that's nice. We'll be looking at him for the first time. Fresh legs. He attacks the right cover first and then goes into that right corner. Remember, right corner is very strong. Neeti Kanakaraju goes off and Kari John comes in. Chandrasri Sai is very strong and the left corner, Kalingula Srinivas, he will come along, but then there you go, Chandrasri Sai. I was mentioning about him in that right corner. Yeah, he's turning out to be a strong defender. Kari John. And Monu, this I tell this 101 times in every tournament. As a raider or as a defender, you come from the bench, you cannot get a point. You feel the mat first. Put in an empty raid. See how the footwork of your opponent is. And then plan your strategy. That's what I always keep saying, but that doesn't happen.
फिलहाल दुर्गा प्रसाद एक ऐसी सिचुएशन में रेड करने के लिए गए जहां पर उनके पास अपॉर्चुनिटी अपने सुपर 10 को कंप्लीट कर सकते हैं। 9 पॉइंट अभी तक निकाल लिए, लेकिन सामने वाली टीम काकीनाडा क्रैकर्स के पास है 2 पॉइंट निकालने की अपॉर्चुनिटी। क्या इस मुकाबले में दूसरा सुपर टैकल हमें देखने को मिलने वाला है? एग्जैक्टली मिलेगा नवीन?
Well. In the first half, Kakinada Kraken came back with a super tackle, but here Kurnool Knights their first super tackle against Durga Prasad. What a strong ankle hold that was. It was not a convincing one. He was just slipping over the end line, but then consoled himself very nicely and put in with that strong ankle hold. Very nice. And he's revived Singampalli Avinash off the bench. He just needs to attempt a bonus point and then go back. That is all. That's what it should be. It was Kalingula Srinivas who put in that super tackle, finally coming in. But then Chandrasri Sai! Easy inching towards a high five. Brilliant tackle once again from that right corner, Monu. He's been very strong and he's busy. His frontal thigh holds are good. We've not seen him attempt an ankle hold, but look at this. He goes low, he goes down for the thigh holds and gets the support from the left flank, left cover as well.
एक बार फिर से कहानी में थोड़ा सा ट्विस्ट आएगा। पहले एक रिवाइवल दिलाया था सुपर टैकल के जरिए, लेकिन अगली ही रेड में अपने लीडर को खोना पड़ा था। ओह, बैक टू बैक ये दूसरा सुपर टैकल किया है इस टीम ने, और ये मजबूती है इस टीम की, और ऐसा लगता है कि अब आने वाले मैचेस में ये लगातार वो कारनामा हमें देखने को मिलेगा। इस मुकाबले का तीसरा सुपर टैकल, इस टीम का ये दूसरा सुपर टैकल।
And that too, once again, it's Kalingula Srinivas. Kunchala Srikanth showed his back. So that was enough. It definitely is the Yuva Andhra Championship Kamal moment. No doubt at all. A second super tackle in the second half for the Kakinada Kraken, and it's Kalingula Srinivas, their captain. And look what! Who's been revived? Samarasimha Reddy out from the bench and on the mat. And gets a point. Uses the lobby. Runs across to that weak left corner because Kunchala Srikanth is not there. What a thinking, Monu. What a thinking. Sashi Kumar is not a left corner defender. He was standing there without the support of his big captain Kunchala Srikanth, and look at what Samarasimha Reddy has done. He's gone directly there, attacked him because Kunchala Srikanth was super tackled the previous tackle. Well. Once again, a twist in the second half.
काकीनाडा क्रैकर्स 25 पॉइंट पर पहुंच गई है। सेकंड हाफ उनके लिए बहुत अच्छा रहा है, जिसमें 2 सुपर टैकल किए। 2 सुपर टैकल का मतलब है कि आपने रिवाइवल दिलाया, अपनी टीम को बचाया, लेकिन उससे कहीं ज्यादा जरूरी है आपके लिए पॉइंट्स। वो 2 टैकल के सहारे आपने 4 पॉइंट निकाले।
Yeah, the very important point is Kunchala Srikanth needs to be revived, and Samarasimha Reddy knows this. See, once again, Monu, he goes in, crosses the puck line, and he will attack Ramakrishna in that left corner. So watch out. His running hand touches have been really good. Kunchala Srikanth not around. See, that exactly is what I'm trying to mention here. 11 rate points of 11, 100% rate strike rate. Once again, he goes, attacks the left corner, but then the dash comes in. And Samarasimha Reddy has been dashed out by whom? Chandrasri Sai again. Well, how many tackle points is a big question for the lad. I think the tackle point, unfortunately, will not go to him. Monu, this is what me and Mohit Chiller always keep talking about. It's a strategic timeout call, maybe. See, I think Chandrasri Sai put in all the effort, but there was a defender in the left corner where Samarasimha Reddy touched him first, right? I think the point will go there. Let's listen to the coaches.
మ్యాచ్ వస్తుంది, టెన్షన్ పడకుండా ఆడండి. ధనుష్ గారిని కూడా యూజ్ చేయండి, పైపైన ఆడండి, ఫస్ట్ చెక్ చేయండి, ముగ్గురు అవుట్ అవుతాను.
Okay, you know what paiga adandi means? That means
Sir.
don't go too deep. Check cheyandi. That means just check your just check the opponent's footwork. That's it. And don't go too deep. That's what he's told his Raiders, because he does not want to give away another super tackle to the Kakinada Kraken. And it's a situation there where Durga Prasad will want to go for the all-out. And Manohar Srinivas and of course Siva, no strong defenders. Manohar, yes, he's been involved in a super tackle. But apart from that, nothing more. But this is Durga Prasad. Look at this. The 2 super tackles. And this was Kalingula Srinivas doing really well. 2 super tackles back to back. This was okay, the ankle hold. But the big one was this. Against Kanchula Srikanth. He's a big man. You need to put a lot of pressure to pin him down. And Kalingula Srinivas did really well to pin his counterpart captain down and send him on the bench. And the after effect of that, Monu, is where Samarsimha Reddy went in and took away a point on that weak left corner, and he again tried the second time. So that is where somewhere, you know, Kanchula Srikanth's revival makes a lot of meaning now, and he's been revived. He goes in for the raid immediately.
सुपर टैकल अभी हमने देखे और बैक टू बैक सुपर टैकल देखे थे. एक बार फिर से अपॉर्चुनिटी आ गई है काकीनाडा क्रैकन्स के पास कि वो हैट्रिक भी लगा सकते हैं, यानी कि 30रा सुपर टैकल निकाल सकते हैं. बड़ी जबरदस्त तरीके से निकाले थे पिछले दोनों सुपर टैकल श्रीकांत के लिए.
And I think Srikanth will be playing the ego game. He will want to go there. He's been dashed out. It's another super tackle. Monu, this is a ego game from Kanchula Srikanth. This is a big detrimental factor. ये बहुत खतरनाक चीज है जो कबड्डी प्लेयरों को छोड़नी पड़ेगी बहुत जल्दी. Don't play a selfish ego game. See, he wanted to take revenge on Kalingula Srinivas. See how deep he went. And what did the coach say? Paiga R&D. That means play only on the back line. They've given away 3 super tackle points to Kakinada Kraken in the second half. Kurnool Knights. It's a big error.
एक अलग प्रकार की कहानी लिखी है और इस कहानी में ट्विस्ट तो आएगा, क्योंकि अब जो बढ़त है वो बहुत है. ओह, एडवांस टैकल, ये बहुत बड़ा एडवांस टैकल था. सामने से टाई होल्ड किया है और अकेले तकरीबन पूरी तरह से ब्लॉक कर दिया था. उसके बाद जैसे ही साथ मिलाए ये टैकल पॉइंट निकाला, लेकिन जबरदस्त था. नवीन,
Raider, please
Yeah.
back. Raider,
This was not very wise of Siva Prasad, I should say. It's not a very great decision or a wise decision, because you're leading, right? See, Kakinada Kraken are leading. What he should have done, he should have gone there, just kill a lot of time, because there is no Samarsimha Reddy on the bench, and Durga Prasad kicks the right corner, goes away, gets a Super 10. That is his first Super 10 of Yuva Andhra Championship 2025, a feeder into the Telugu Kabaddi League. Well,
Raider,
what a way
please.
to announce his name as well, Durga Prasad.
Standing.
And now the Raiders need to kill time, Monu, as Vari Mahesh is going in from Kakinada Kraken. Kill time. Yeah, just stand there. It's okay. Kalingula Srinivas is back there for your support in the super tackle. Stand there, kill a lot of time, because Kanchula Srikanth will come in for points, and Kurnool Knights ko points chahiye. It's not the Krakens who need points. It's Kurnool Knights who are trailing behind, and it's good. Vari Mahesh shows footwork, goes back. Right, keeps the raid interesting.
टच पॉइंट भले ही नहीं मिला है, रिवाइवल नहीं मिला है, लेकिन उससे कहीं ज्यादा जरूरी है आपके घर पर वापस आना. 2 बार 2 डिफेंडर सुपर टैकल कर चुके हैं. एक बार 3 प्लेयर ने मिलकर वो कार्य किया था. टोटल 3 सुपर टैकल कर चुके हैं टीम, लेकिन इस बार शायद ऑल आउट की बिल्कुल किनारे पर पहुंच गई है.
And intelligent, very intelligent of Durga Prasad, unlike Siva Prasad. Look at what he does. Prasad goes in against Vari Mahesh because he knows Kalingula Srinivas does not have a dash. He knows he's got a strong ankle hold, because Durga Prasad was ankle held by Kalingula Srinivas in the first super tackle, remember? That is all. After that, he's gone to Vari Mahesh. Very good thinking. Think on your feet. Now last man standing. And it is the captain Kalingula Srinivas. He needs to get a bonus or get a touch point from somewhere. He attempts a bonus. Not there. goes in deep towards the right corner. Chandrasri Sai is not given him anything. 3-point difference, and of course, now Kanchula Srikanth will be waiting, and the captain goes down. Kakinada Kraken have been inflicted to the all out. This is Kurnool Knights' revenge. In the first half, it was Kurnool Knights who actually got the all out onto their name, and now Kakinada Kraken. Wow, what a match. What a first match this is turning out to be. And now the score is almost same. It's going to be 3 points for the Kurnool Knights.
तो पहले हमने सुना था खूब लड़ी मर्दानी, वो तो झांसी वाली रानी थी। इस बार कप्तान ने कई बार अपनी टीम के ऑल आउट को बचाया, लड़ते रहे, झगड़ते रहे, सुपर टैकल करते रहे, लेकिन उसके बाद
प्लीज गो
टीम फाइनली ऑल आउट भी हो गई है।
फर्स्ट सर प्लीज डोंट सर
I think the coach is now trying to say to the Kurnool Knights that, you know,
మనమే
Yeah.
కొట్టి చేసినట్టు అయిపోయింది. చాలా చిన్న టీం. ఓకే. ఎవరు టెన్షన్ పడద్దని రంగా. ఒకటి రే ఒకటి రెండు బోనస్లు పోయినా బాధ లేదని.
okay, they're going for review, by the way. They want a bonus point.
Challenge.
Yeah, bonus point. Yeah.
Our decision. No bonus point. Please review.
Yeah, let the TV umpire check if there was bonus from Kalingula Srinivas, because he attempted a lot of times. But you know what the coach of Kurnool Knights is trying to say? A same line I've heard from different coaches in different languages, in Kannada, in Tamil, in Telugu now. He says, Chala chinna team Radi. That means it's a very weak team. Guys, meme kotti icchinattunnamo. That means we are giving away points which was not necessary at all. This is the line that has been told by multiple coaches in multiple languages. But Kalingula Srinivas, did he get a bonus point? No, I think we'll have to check few more frames, because this was a tackle that happened from Chandrasri Sai. But was there a couple of more attempts that gave him a bonus point? But and on that note,
bonus point नवीन, अगर यहाँ से भी बोनस पॉइंट नहीं मिला तो फिर ये आपकी सबसे बड़ी बदकिस्मती होगी, क्योंकि सामने वाली टीम तो बिल्कुल ओपन करके रख रही थी कि आइए बोनस लेकर जाइए हम टच।
Decision is coming, but we will see the visuals whether the attempt was correct and nice. But the television umpires probably got to see something else here. Yeah, this is Kalingula Srinivas. That looks like it. That looks like it. Yeah, as you said, Monu, बिल्कुल खुला छोड़ा था बोनस को वहां पर Kanchula Srikanth ne. But yeah, the nice bonus attempt. But and also with this tackle, after the bonus point, this tackle has given us the first defender to get the high five. It is Chandrasri Sai Ram. But let's listen to the decision first. But Chandrasri Sai has got, yeah,
Bonus point.
review successful.
Kraken. Rider out. 1+2 3 points. Kurnool Knights. Captain, you have written your review.
Yes, umpire. Wonderful. But then Kakinada Kraken lead by 1 point. That bonus point. It was 27 all if this bonus was not there. But with that bonus, yeah, it's a 1 point lead, and that was a 5th point to Chandrasri Sai Ram. So, Monu, are we looking in for a biggest lead or the biggest Yuva Andhra Championship, which is just a feeder here for the Telugu Kabaddi League? But look at this. In the first match, we've got 2 Super 10s, 1 high-fi, 3 super tackles in the second half. My word, this is going to be a big tournament for sure.
बहुत कुछ देख लिया, लीड भी देखी, लेकिन एक बार फिर से लीड को पूरी तरह से चकनाचूर करने के लिए तैयार है श्रीकांत। इस पॉइंट को लेकर जाएंगे और इस स्कोर कार्ड को एकदम बराबर कर देंगे। ये आसान सा टच उन्होंने लिया है, शायद इस बार उन्होंने अपने ईगो को पीछे रखा होगा और इजीली वो टच पॉइंट लिया है, क्योंकि कई बार ये ऐसी सिचुएशन में गए ट्रेड करने के लिए जहां पर सामने वाली टीम को बहुत फायदा हुआ था।
करेक्ट। और आपने बिल्कुल सही कहा वहां पर, क्योंकि he kept his ego low and attacked the left in. He attacked Siva Prasad. He attacked a raider. He did not go against Kalingula Srinivas. That's very good thinking. Yeah, that's why I say play a selfless, egoless game in Kabaddi. And now Samarsimha Reddy against Chandrasri Sai, 28 all. He's already got a Super 10. But look at Chandrashree Sai. He's got 5 tackle points. 62.5% is his tackle success rate. Attempts a bonus. I don't think so. He's got it. Oh, he's got it. He's got it. Kurnool Knights, do you want to challenge that one? It looked like it was dicey. Yeah, but then they don't want to go for it probably. Look at this. Chandrashree Sai. I like the way he scares him away. But look at that. Was he cutting the bonus line? Oh, Chandrashree Sai also showed it in the action, saying you cut the bonus line. But I don't think Kurnool Knights have a review. They lost a review in the first half, remember? Maybe for that, they don't have the opportunity now to challenge that bonus. And Dhanush gets the bonus point to once again equalize the score here, Monu.
धनुष बोनस पॉइंट देख तर्कस में तीर भी रखी है उन्हें भी चलाइए क्योंकि अभी ये समय आ गया अभी यहाँ समय आ गया कि एक पॉइंट आपके लिए बहुत जरूरी है हाथ से छटके जरूर लेकिन उसके बाद सही टाइमिंग बाकी के डिफेंडर्स की एक बार फिर से कॉम्बिनेशन टैकल देखने को मिला है और इस बार बड़ी मछली का शिकार भी किया है नवीन
बिल्कुल और पीठ दिखाकर मछली वहां से एस्केप नहीं हो सकती है लुक एट दिस ही शॉट हिज बैक एंड लुक एट द अटैक दैट केम इन फ्रॉम द लेफ्ट कवर ब्रिलियंट शशि कुमार I think that is from the right cover who came in and had that back hold of Samarsimha Reddy. Brilliant. Oh, they definitely have got the big whale now. And Dhanush needs to just keep this lead going. He's claiming another point, another toe touch. Well, Kurnool Knights slowly but surely are holding on to that edge. And once again, Singampalli Avinash, a raider being targeted. So, no Siva Prasad, no Samarsimha Reddy. And now, no Singampalli Avinash, Kakinada Kraken, Monu are raiderless. The coach is worried. Yeah, ideally so. Ideally so. I can see him angry as well. And that's why Vari Mahesh, a defender, needs to raid. And he gets a point. Defender leading, raiding. He's broken the chain of Kanchula Srikanth and is probably revived a raider. Well. Kanchula Srikanth has been good as a captain, but such silly errors, Mono, there. He let the chain go of Durga Prasad and he wanted to go for the solo tackle and Vari Mahesh just reviving a raider at a crucial time. Yeah, let's listen to the Krakens. Let's listen to the Krakens coach. He looked very angry.
एल्पर टच खा रहे हो यार ये तो कॉर्नर कितने अच्छे खेल रहे हैं टाइट हो जाओ एल्पर मैच अपना है ठीक है गुड बेटर
Some Haryanvi Josh came out of it, Monu. Good better. That's what he said. Match apni hai, but more importantly, he said left corner. The left corner is been weak now because Kanchula Srikanth is not there. So attack the left corner. More importantly, yes, that has come in, and he's also said helper says support. So that means the right in needs to support Vari Mahesh. I'm sure he's from Haryana or somewhere near UP. The coach of Kakinada Kraken, Monu, with the accent.
वह सुल्तान कर दे चढ़ाई करना नहीं है मौका मिलते ही बस अटैक कर दे रहा है बस यही होती है सोच इधर के कोचेस की और देखिए मौका भी वही है ना कि 4 मिनट बचे हुए हैं सिर्फ एक पॉइंट उलट फिर होना है और यहाँ पर बहुत ही सेंसिटिव रेड होने वाली है ये बहुत बड़ा उलटफेर होगा और खुशी है कोच के चेहरे पर
And the coach also said बहुत बढ़िया. What a big raid from Siva Prasad. He's taken off Ramakrishna. He's taken off Sasi Kumar. Both the covers blown away. Siva Kumar went in for the bonus. Right cover, left cover, both of them blown away by Siva Prasad. Timely usage of the lobby and he crosses the midline. They also want another point. Hang on. They're going for a third point. Is it a bonus or a touch point?
Kakinada Kraken challenge. Bonus plus 2 points.
Yes.
Our decision 2 points. Please review.
और नवीन अभी तक सुपर रेड हमने देखे भी नहीं है अगर ये सक्सेसफुल हो जाता है इनका रिव्यू तो बोनस के साथ 2 टच पॉइंट मिलेंगे 3 पॉइंट यानी कि सुपर रेड भी देखने को मिल जाएगी अंततः आते आते इस मैच के अंत में
Yeah, that is the only thing missing in this match. Probably should come out with a review. Let's see. But I did not see Siva Prasad attempt a bonus anywhere. But I think Kalingula Srinivas, the captain, has seen it somewhere. Did he ask his coach before going to this review? I don't think so. Because I did not see Siva attempting a bonus. But that attack came in while he was drawn deep in near the left corner. There, he crosses the back line, then goes for the bonus attempt there. But he's stamping on the bonus line. He's cutting the bonus line. That was very clear. But let's see what the TV umpire has to say. As we always say, ours is just assumptions. The TV umpires is the decision. Yeah, that decision is more, matters a lot than the assumptions or speculations. Siva, I think, was attempting a bonus but cutting the bonus line, and that's the time where the attack came in from the covers. Both Palla Ramakrishna and Sasi Kumar. Yeah, this is a nice frame. This is a very, very good frame. This will be very clearly evident whether he crossed the bonus line. Because remember, the landing foot should be over the bonus line and the trailing foot should be in the air. Was that good enough? Was that good enough? I don't think so. He's stamping. He is stamping the bonus line, as I said. He's not crossed it. And in Kabaddi, my dear Siva Prasad, we need to cross every line. Yeah, you're standing and stamping on the bonus line, my friend.
कबड्डी में इंचेस का बड़ा ही रोल रखा गया है और यहाँ पर टच नहीं क्रॉस मांगा जाता है.
Very good camera work. Very, very good camera work as always from the Yuva Kabaddi team. Think so. There should not be a bonus.
Review unsuccessful.
Oh yeah.
2 points. Kakinada Kraken. Jersey number 14 and 18 out. Captain, your review is
देखिए
over.
रिव्यू जरूर गवाए आपने, बोनस आपको नहीं मिला है, लेकिन नवीन वो रिव्यू अच्छा किया था. थोड़ा सा क्लोज कॉल था ही. इतना तो बनता है, अगर आप लास्ट में मैच में फंस रहे हैं, 3 से 4 मिनट बचे हुए हैं, तो आप बिल्कुल चले जाइए, क्योंकि एक पॉइंट के लिए तो जद्दोजहद चल रहा है यहाँ पे.
Correct. No, it was a very good review. It was tight. It was close. It put the TV umpire to the test. But yeah, and now since both the teams have lost reviews, I think the TV umpire can go out for a hot cup of chai. Because in here, Vijayawada, we have amazing tea that has been served as well. Probably go out and have something, but he's got a tea for himself. As Dhanush, he gets a bonus point, goes away, and Samarasimha Reddy. He's been quite Monu after the Super 10. He's not blasted in a big way. But these few minutes, he'll be again sent back on the bench by Chandra Sri Sai. He enjoys his high fly with another diving ankle hold. What a strong right corner that he's turning out to be. And remember, in the first half, he did not have a settled footwork. He was jumping in and out, and now see, he's just settling down, and bow, there goes the pouch, and he attempts it and executes it into good perfection.
अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा स्टार्ट लिया था, लेकिन अभी जहां पर फिनिश करने की जरूरत थी, शायद वहां पर थोड़े से फंसते हुए नजर आए. क्रूशियल मूवमेंट चल रहा है मुकाबले का, यानी कि 2 से 4 मिनट वो समय होता है जहां पर आपके रेडर्स, आपके डिफेंडर्स का चलना बहुत जरूरी हो जाता है. जिसके चलेंगे वो मैच में आगे जाएंगे. पिछली रेड में बोनस मिला था कुन्नुल नाइट्स को, लेकिन अभी उतना ज्यादा प्रयास किया नहीं है.
I think that is what is
क्लोज
brought
आ रहा है
down.
ये मुकाबला.
I think that is what has brought down the Kakinada Krakens' chances as well. See, Samarasimha Reddy being very good in the first half. Then again in the second half, he's been very quiet. We will actually go out there and share you the numbers as well. 10 points in the first half and only 2 in the second half. That's why Vari Mahesh needs to do a lot of things. But here, Kanchula Srikanth goes low, goes strong, ankle hold, pulls him down. Gets the support there from Chandra Sri Sai as well. And Vari Mahesh is not a raider, he's a defender. With this match, Monu, as you're trying to say, yes, it is that neck and neck moment, but the huge differentiation factor is Samarasimha Reddy.
Kurnool Knights.
And let's listen to Kakinada Kraken. They are struggling. Of course, Kurnool Knights. Where's the coach? He needs to utilize his opportunities to come in very quickly.
టైం అవుట్ అయిపోయింది కదా.
ఫస్ట్ బ్లాక్ రెఫరీ గారు
हाँ, ओके।
करते हो यार। चलो बेटा आप टाइट हो जाओ यार, मरे पड़े हो। चलो बेटा अपना मैच।
वेरी ट्रू नो। जो हम यहाँ पर स्टोरी टेलिंग में इंग्लिश में बोल रहे थे, वही चीज वहां पर कोच भी बोल रहे हैं कि या देयर इज नो रेड पॉइंट्स, ही टोल्ड इट इन हिज स्टाइल।
कह रहे थे
But
थोड़ा सा
समर
टाइट हो
सिमर
जाओ
की-
क्योंकि सिर्फ 1.5 मिनट बचा हुआ है और सामने वाली टीम 2 पॉइंट से आगे है, यानी कि कैलकुलेटेड तरीके से खेलेगी अब वो अपने मुकाबले को। उन्हें पता है कि शायद थर्ड रेड जब होगी वहां पर रिस्क लेने की जरूरत है, उससे पहले सिर्फ और सिर्फ रेड को वैलिड करना है, टाइम को पूरी तरह से किल करना है। देखिए ऐसी सिचुएशन में संयम दिखाना बहुत जरूरी हो जाता है रेडर्स का,
Yeah.
क्योंकि 1
And-
मिनट बचेगा आपकी रेड के बाद। जी नवीन।
And Kurnool Knights was the only
One minute
team,
of play.
Onu, who have got that do or die raid, and in that do or die raid, they were successful. Kurnool Knights. So that shows in the entire match, in the last 1 minute that is there, as Singampalli Avinash has come in for a very quick raid. They need points. Is the Kakinada Kraken? Yeah, quick raid is what the need of the hour is. He need to attempt the bonus out there at Kanchula Shrikant, but he will cover the angle away. Kanchula Shrikant will not give a point to Singampalli. And that's it. Kurnool Knights are having it closer and closer to the victory margin. So only
please
one
back.
do or die raid, Monu.
Jersey number
That
4, please
shows
back.
how
Jersey
much
number 4.
how much of points have been coming in this match.
ये बहुत बड़ा पॉइंट निकाला जर्सी नंबर 1 ने, कॉर्नर से गए थे, अटैक किया बैक पर। और देखिए नवीन, वहां पर आप एम्प्टी हैंड वापस आते तो शायद आपके लिए बहुत ज्यादा बेहतर भी हो सकता था, क्योंकि आपको पता होना चाहिए कुर्नूल नाइट्स की डू और डाई रेड आने वाली है। आप वहां पर 1 पॉइंट निकालकर थोड़ा सा क्लोज जा सकते हैं मुकाबले के, लेकिन
Correct.
समय है नहीं आपके पास। आप चाहते थे कि पॉइंट ही मिले, लेकिन अब तो सिर्फ औपचारिकता बाकी रह गई है, टाइमर 0 हो चुका है। पॉइंट मिले ना मिले फर्क नहीं पड़ता है।
Right.
I think Kurnool Knights will get 1 point. The raider is
Jersey
safe.
number 5 out.
Yeah, because the defender crossed the midline. So it is Kurnool Knights will be winning this first match of the Yuva Andhra Championship 2025 as Siva Prasad. He was just a defender. He could not do much as Kalingula Srinivas was being anti-dashed
Right, please
by Dhanush, Chandawala Dhanush, and the way Siva Prasad crossed the midline was the confirmation that the coach is not happy of the Kakinada Kraken. Yeah, the match is over. Kurnool Knights have won this with a slender margin, but what a good comeback. Samarasimha Reddy Super 10 gone down in the wastage now. It's gone down on the wastage bin because Kurnool Knights have won their first match and they have put up 5 points on the board. And yeah, Kakinada Kraken will get 1 point out of this match. But they started the second half nicely. They had the lead, remember? Mono, they had 19 points in the first half, 17 for the Kurnool Knights when the first half score was over. But what a comeback from the Kurnool Knights, especially Durga Prasad and Chandra Sri Sai Ram with a high five. And not to forget Kanchula Shrikant, the strong all-rounder for me. Yeah, I'm sorry I'm saying this in the first match itself because the defender captain has shown that he can defend, he can raid, and he can lead the team really well. Yeah, I never call a player all-rounder in the first match, but in this match, he's given an all-round performance and given the Kurnool Knights the victory that they will really remember. 5 points means a lot here, Mono.
मुकाबला बहुत ही ज्यादा शानदार रहा था। अंतिम कुछ मिनट्स में ऐसा लगा कि शायद मुकाबले में उलटफेर होगा, लेकिन सीधे सीधे तरीके से इस मुकाबले को चला है। चलिए फाइनल स्कोर की बात करेंगे तो फिर 32 पॉइंट निकाले हैं काकीनाडा क्रैकन्स ने, वहीं 36 पॉइंट यानी कि 4 पॉइंट से आगे रही है कुर्नूल नाइट्स, और इस एडिशन की पहली टीम मिल गई है जो जीत का स्वाद चखेगी अपने पहले मुकाबले में। 21 रेड पॉइंट, 7 टैकल पॉइंट, 3 सुपर टैकल्स भी किए थे काकीनाडा क्रैकन्स ने, अपने ऑल आउट को लगातार बचाती रही थी, लेकिन शायद मैच को नहीं बचा पाई है, शायद नहीं, अब तो पूरी तरह से बचा ही नहीं पाई है। तो वही बात करेंगे कुर्नूल नाइट्स की, तो 19 पॉइंट हैं रेडिंग डिपार्टमेंट के पास, 14 टैकल पॉइंट यानी कि बराबरी, बिल्कुल कंधे से कंधा मिलाकर चले। 1 सुपर टैकल उन्होंने भी किया है। और बात करें बेस्ट रेडर्स की तो फिर समर सिम्हा रेड्डी 12 पॉइंट निकाल रहे हैं, और हाई फाइव भी लग चुका है नवीन इस मुकाबले में, जो कि बन गए बेस्ट डिफेंडर इस मुकाबले के, 6 टैकल पॉइंट निकालकर।
Correct. Chandra Sri Sai, as I said, deserves every accolades because he was tackling Samarasimha Reddy, and with his 6 tackle points, I think he's tackled Samarasimha Reddy at least twice. But Mono, a bigger problem for the Kakinada Kraken is in the in the second half, they scored only 13 points. And Kurnool Knights have scored 19 points in the second half. Because there were only 17 in the first half, first 20 minutes of this match. And look at the final score. So 36 minus 17 is 19 points in the second half. So that is big. Every time for a strong blockbuster movie, your second half needs to be really strong. And for Kurnool Knights, yes, the second half was really strong because of Chandrasree Sai, Durga Prasad. Of course, Durga Prasad has got a Super 10 and their captain Kanchula Shrikant. But on the other side, the Raiders were weak. Siva Prasad, Singampalli Avinash did not get points at all. Vari Mahesh was being tried, but yeah, of course, he was just a makeshift, try that was being put in by the coach. Nobody came in from the bench to support the raiding trio. Kari John was tried from the Kakinada Kraken, but he did not shine at all. Kalingula Srinivas, the captain, has a lot of thinking to be done. That's the summary of this match. That's what we will be going ahead and concluding. But yeah, see, as I said, this is what it is. And no heroes, Monu. See, only Samarasimha Reddy, the lone warrior, and that too even in the first half. That's it. After that, only 2 points in the second half. That's it. That's the problem. But if you look at Kurnool Knights, let's quickly look at them. Now, you will have multiple heroes. You will have Chandrasree Sai, you will have Durga Prasad, you will have Kanchula Shrikant, and you will also have Palla Ramakrishna, the right cover, the left cover defender, and also Sasikumar, the right cover defender. It's going to be really, really nice on that number. Yeah, look at this. Monu, it's all yours. See, Durga Prasad's got 11 points. Kanchula Shrikant's got 8 raid points. And look at Chandrasree Sai, 6 points. And Palla Ramakrishna, see, as I mentioned, 4 points. So there are multiple heroes who contributed to the team's cause. That's why Kurnool Knights have won this match.
Exactly. जिसके पास ज्यादा हीरो, उसकी मूवी उतनी ज्यादा ब्लॉकबस्टर और ये हमने चर्चा पहले भी की थी. यहाँ पर contribution दिया है अपना.
Yeah, very true, very true. And that's why probably, where you said more number of heroes, yeah, maybe Coolie and War 2 releasing at the same time. That's what the evidence is all about. Coolie with the star cast, of course, a little heavy compared to Hrithik Roshan and Junior NTR. Yeah, all the best to War 2 as well. But the war has begun here in the Yuva Andhra Championship 2025. A feeder to the Telugu Kabaddi League. That's going to happen. And remember, after Andhra Championship, we'll also have the Telangana Championship 2025. That will also be the feeder for the Telugu Kabaddi League that's going to be organized by Yuva Kabaddi Series. But this is a blockbuster of an opening for the match, which was filled with a couple of super 10s, one hi-fi, 3 back-to-back super tackles in the second half by Kakinada Kraken. But even then, they could not win the match because the Raiders were kept quiet. And if the numbers don't lie, I will really want to know the number of raid points, the overall number of raid points being taken by the Kakinada Kraken. I don't think that's too much. I really doubt how much of the numbers that came in the second half for the Kakinada Kraken. I don't see that it is a lot of numbers because only 2 points from Samarasimha Reddy and here and there from Vari Mahesh. That's it. Yeah, but let's see Samarasimha Reddy. Yeah, he's done good in the first half. Let's go down and watch Samarasimha Reddy receive his award. 86% of raid, strike rate today. He would have wanted to do really well in the second half, but unfortunately he could not. Let's look at Samarasimha Reddy receiving the award. He's going to receive a prize money of 1,400 rupees. That will be really nice of an appreciation for him.
समरसिम्हा रेड्डी 12 रेड पॉइंट पहले ऐसे प्लेयर बने जिन्होंने सुपर 10 लगा दिया है अपने पहले मुकाबले में. 86% स्ट्राइक रेट, टोटल रेट 14 किए हैं, इसमें 12 रेड पॉइंट निकाले, यानी कि अच्छा खासा कार्य किया है. और पहला हाफ तो इनका ब्लॉकबस्टर रहा था. इंटरवल से पहले वाली जो मूवी थी ना, वो बहुत ज्यादा अच्छी थी. सेकंड हाफ यानी कि इंटरवल के बाद वो थोड़े से डाउन रह गए. तो कहते हैं ना कि इंटरवल के बाद मूवी का इंटरेस्टिंग होना बहुत जरूरी होता है.
करेक्ट, इसलिए काकीनाडा क्रैकन को हार मारनी पड़ी वहां पर because the second half was not strong enough from Samarasimha Reddy. That's a problem. But you know what? He was also silenced a lot. See, this is all his first half point. Now on your screen, Mono, we are all seeing the first half points. Look at how Chandrasree Sai also struggled from the right corner. But then in the second half, Chandrasree Sai settled down. His basement was set. He did not move a lot. As I said, 1400 rupees for the best trader of the match. Congratulations, Samarasimha Reddy. Do well in your next match, especially in the second half. That is what is needed. But more importantly, now the man who will be receiving the Best Defender award is the man who actually stopped Samarasimha Reddy in the second half. It is Chandrasree Sai, the first defender to get the high five in the first match of the Yuva Andhra Championship 2025. Chandrasree Sai Ram. If you look at his tackles, will all be Samarasimha Reddy. Look at that. In the right corner, he's got a strong frontal high hold. He's got Kari Mahesh, he's got Kari Khan, and a couple of times he also got Samarasimha Reddy. Very interesting that he changed the way, changed his strategies, changed his approach of the tackle and attacked Samarasimha Reddy. 1400 points for him as well. The money that's going in for Chandrasree Sai. Good appreciation, Monu, for him.
ये भी मैच बहुत ज्यादा अच्छा रहा था। 6 टैकल पॉइंट निकाले जिसके चलते बन गए बेस्ट डिफेंडर ऑफ द मैच इस मुकाबले के। 1400 का चेक इनके हाथ में, लेकिन उससे कहीं ज्यादा जरूरी थी वो पहले मुकाबले में जीत। अगला मुकाबला युवा आंध्रा चैंपियनशिप 2025 का जो अगला मुकाबला है वो कमाल का होने वाला है।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, क्योंकि Vizag Ninjas are coming out with Bhimavaram Guardians. That's what's going to happen in a very, very short while from now. As I am Navin Shori alongside with Monu signing off. See you soon. Don't go out anywhere. This is Yuva Andhra Championship 2025 right here, live and exclusive on Fan Court from Chennipattu Ramakotaya Municipal Corporation Indoor Stadium.